everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am jumping into my base BOXYCHARM box for the month of February. Unfortunately, my boxes got shipped to my old address, so I'm a little bit delayed because they had to send me new boxes to where I am now. So today we're going to jump into the base box, a full unboxing and review, talking about all of the items in here, what I think, and what I think of the box as a whole. As always, if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Be My Glamantine February BOXYCHARM base box, stay tuned. So I do just want to preface this the way I do with every single one of my unboxings is when I look at this box and I want to see, is it a good box or a bad box? It's not necessarily what's inside, but more the value. So BOXYCHARM claims to be over $125 worth of product for $27.99. They did recently change the price. So we're going to be seeing at the end of the day, would I be better off taking that $27 and going to Ulta or Sephora or Walmart or Target or wherever you buy your makeup and spending it there, or do I get more value out of the box itself? And typically if there's one great product, it usually pays for the whole box. But that being said, we have some pretty high expectations. So let's jump in. The theme is going to be the Be My Glamantine, which for February is super appropriate, super Valentine's Day, but really more about celebrating yourself. This is going to be variation C2202, which is 2022 and February 003. So this is variation number 3. When I get a low variation like that, it means either I'm getting a low variation or there aren't a ton of variations. And I've said this before. The days when BOXYCHARM was like one big variation and you got maybe a different color or there were one or two options that changed were my favorites. It felt like every month was a really curated story, whereas now it really often just feels like a bunch of beauty products thrown in a box. Not that I don't love the products that end up coming, but it's definitely a much less curated experience. I loved when we all talked about online how many things we got and what we loved, especially when most of us would get the same things. Now you're here watching this video and typically the odds of you getting the same box as me is 1 in 400 variations, which tends to be unlikely. Jumping into the first item out of the box, this is from Saturday Skin. This is the Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, retailing for $32. A buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu, a rich vitamin C citrus, combined with targeted ingredients such as active vital complex and niacinamide. This eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. I am not going to open this because I've actually used this product. I've owned this product. I've reviewed this on my channel before, and it is a really good eye cream. I think it is really hydrating. It is really smoothing, and it is, because of the niacinamide, great for hydration and brightness on the under eye. Plus, vitamin C helps to lighten, brighten, and tighten. Lighten up discoloration, brighten up dullness in the skin, and tighten up those fine lines. Now, this is a great eye cream. However, and I've said this before, when you open this eye cream, you have 12 months until it expires, and I currently have like 4 eye creams open. I recently started using the Caudalie Premier Crew eye cream, and that is probably another 2 months before it's empty, so I'm going to wait to open up a fresh eye cream until I'm really ready to use it, but because I have used it in the past, I already know I like this one. Next, from the brand Stila, this is the Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, retailing for $23. Stila's volumizing, long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. With just one coat, you can wow, I can't speak. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Even with multiple coats, the flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallout. I have used this in the past as well, and Stila is one of those brands where I just don't love their mascaras. I find the wands are too big. It ends up getting all over my lid and transfers. I'll agree that it is a flexible hold because I have used this one, and it doesn't really flake on me. But while I'm putting it on, it is impossible for me to not get it all over my eyes because the brush is just so absolutely massive. So that is going to be a pass for me, not a product I like. Next, from Yensa, I actually got this product in an Ipsy like 2 years ago. This is the Tone Up Primer Essential Glow, retailing for $35. The primer is the perfect step in achieving a superfood glow, infused with 8 superpowered skin-loving ingredients to maximize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. The lightweight satin sheen formula creates an invisible skin-perfecting finish. Now, I loved the way that this looked under makeup, and I thought it was a really good formula, but the night after I used it, my skin broke out really badly. I worked it out of my rotation, got my skin to clear up, tried it again, and it definitely broke me out. Now, in the ingredient list, there's nothing that calls out anything I'm allergic to, anything I'm sensitive to, and the ingredients all look really high quality, and black seaweed, black sesame oil, shiitake mushroom, black tea, black rice, Korean black raspberry, chia seed, and nettle. All are great ingredients for calming, soothing, anti-inflammatory, brightness, glow, all of those amazing things. But unfortunately, there's something in the formula that causes me to break out when I use it. So I'm going to be dropping this in a giveaway, but this is one of those times where I'm going to say it's a great product, because I know people who use this who absolutely love it. Unfortunately, my skin just doesn't like it. So even though it's a not good for me product, it's not like the mascara where I don't think it's a good product. I don't like this at all and would not recommend it to anyone. If your skin is less sensitive to mine, I absolutely recommend this. Next, from the brand Alley-Oop, this is the Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. An award-winning multitasking brush combines the 4 essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, brush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. A compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home, made with premium synthetic fibers, retailing for $28. Now, Alley-Oop sent that really weird clicky pen thing a couple months ago. I unfortunately did not get it, so I have never used this brand before. But recently, they actually did send me their Stack the Odds multi-use face stacker cream shades to play. This is in the shade Sassy Pants, and it is a stackable compact with a cream bronzer, blush, and I wish I knew how to open it, a bronzer, blush, and highlight shade. Now, obviously, this is not a very makeup-heavy brush. Obviously, this is not a very makeup-heavy box, so I will be trying this out over on TikTok, where I'm going to see how these two work together. So if you want to see how this works, make sure you're following me over on TikTok, because we're going to do a full dedicated video to this brush with this stackable. But because nothing else in this box requires makeup, and I have another video to film, I am not going to be trying it on camera today. But tools are typically those products in boxes that I'm always excited to try. And this is, if you know me, you know, it is the shape of blush brush I love. The sponge is going to weird me out because I don't typically like using sponges that are hard to clean. And for the inside, the little brow brush and little eyeshadow brush. If I've learned anything from my base blue brush that has a similar type of hidden brush compartment, I'm never going to use the brushes in between. However, if this is good for blush and it is the right shape to really get your blush perfect, you will be seeing this a lot. And the last product is also going to be a pass from me, because this is the Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner, retailing for $12. And you know I do not like liquid eyeliners. I have one from House Labs that I want to give a second try, so I will be trying a new liner in an upcoming video. However, liquid liners, just consistently, my eyes are hooded, I like a lash, and all it does is take up lid space that I really don't have much to spare. This ultra-fine felt tip liquid eyeliner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing. Lasting all day, it will not skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run. And I don't doubt that to be the case, but honestly, it is just not one of those products that I will ever try, because felt tip liners, liquid liners, anything of the like, I tend to use it once and then it dries out before I ever use it again. So I'm going to drop it in a giveaway. So hopefully somebody who will actually get some use out of it can enjoy it. So all in all, this box had a retail value of $130, which for $27.99 is not bad. That being said, there seemed to only be 2 products in this box that I liked, 2 I didn't, and 1 I need to try. The 2 that I liked did have a combined retail value of over $50, with the Yensa primer being $35 and the eye cream being $32. So we're actually closer to $67 in these 2 products. So you definitely get your value out of this box. But again, the 2 eye products I'm going to pass on. And again, make sure you're following me on TikTok so that we can try this out together, because this is a really interesting brush applicator and I want to give it its time to shine. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!